So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to copy message from WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the home page of your WhatsApp. Now you should have to tap on message which you want to copy. So I'm tapping here like this. Then you should have to tap on message which you want to copy like this. Then you can simply see the option of three dot which is available at the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then you can see the option of copy. So again tap on it and see. You have successfully copied message from WhatsApp, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.